What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am in Dollar General and right away I was greeted by a really nice 50% off table full of fragrances. We have apple cider donut, baked caramel chocolate. Those are some of the essential oil flavors we have. These are going to be half off right now, but hey, if you're a couponer or you like to use the Dollar General app, you might find some additional savings. We have these super cute and tiny mini wax melts. These are going to be 50 cents each. We have white pomegranate and mums and vanilla bean. Super cute. Even more back here. Bonfire and crisp fall air. These are going to be $1.50 and then half of 35. So $1.50, $1.60 something. Again, apple cinnamon, pumpkin spice. We have the half off pumpkin spice things up. These are going to be $2.50. Candy cane cheer. This smells so nice to me. This is like a great any time of the year scent. It smells so nice. It smells so fruity and girly and pretty. To me, this is not really Christmas at all. It's just so perfect. Really nice for $1.50, or you could get two for $2.50. Again, these are all by Glade. We have some sprays in the back. Pumpkin spice things up. These are going to be 50 cents. Apple of my pie. We have candy cane cheer. We have cranberry oh so merry. Again, it smells so amazing. And I put one in my cart already. This one smells so good. I really wish there was more. The Snow Much Fun smells so good. Again, you guys, these are all Glade sprays. And then we have things like candy canes, peanut brittle, holiday cookies. These holiday cookies are only going to be 50 cents. Yes, you guys, everything is half off. We have Oreo candy canes. We just have so many things over here. Haystack cookies. We have peppermint cream cookies. All sorts of things, you guys. All sorts of nice things. I love walking in and seeing deals like that. And then I'm just going to kind of give you guys an update. We have lots of Valentine's Day candy, of course. And then over here, my store has 70% off Christmas items. Some of your stores may still have Christmas clearance, but this is probably, in my opinion, this is probably going to be the last week that you find Christmas clearance. I know a lot of stores are going to package it up or do whatever they do with it. We have a lot of decor, mugs, ornaments, gift bags, bows. I mean, I had my eye on these. These are really cute. It's just super simple. I mean, we could totally do these ourselves, but for 70% off. So that's going to be 90 cents. 90 cents for these 3 ornaments at 70% off. I mean, that's a really nice price, right? We have a lot of newness going on. As you guys know, the stores are putting up Valentine's Day items, spring items. Even some stores are putting up Easter items. I was just in Family Dollar and they just started putting up a few Easter items, not much. And a little bit of Valentine's Day items, not much either as well. Like, this location of Dollar General has so much more candy than my Family Dollar does. The little $1.25 mugs with candy. Hearts. Sunshines. Aw, I love this one. This one's my favorite. I think we have one other one as well. Oh, we have this cute little dog. The cute little dogs. Oh, and these are adorable too. These are $3. The little tiny balloon with the candy. Super cute. We have sweet tart ropes. We have Valentine's ring pops. I just bought a box of these for my series on TikTok. These are the heart-shaped Krabby Patties. Someone had requested that I put Krabby Patties on my new mini griddle, which is my 2022 series, the mini griddle. Don't worry, you guys. I'm probably going to continue to do some wax melt burner content, but I'm trying to get the mini griddle off and going as a series. These are $2. These are really cute. Also brand new. They've added so much more since last week. Look, you guys, we have super cute and pretty items for spring. Lots of home items. Smile. Welcome to our home. We have mirrors. These little decorative ladder thingies, $18. Mason jar wall decor, $12. Wall shelves, a variety of shelves. And then we have little tabletop fountains for $5. A blessings jar for $6. Twilight Forest wax warmer, $8. Live, love, relax. That's $2. We have a nautical rope trimmed mirror. That is $5. Ooh, I like this a lot. This is $5. A little hanging faux plant. So cute. I love the white and I love the bright green. $10 hanging lanterns. We have little $1 glass plaques. We have little home plaques and breathe. These are just $1 each. Here's home. Here's breathe. And then we also have, again, very nautical. Dollar General always tends to get lots of nautical home items for spring and summer. What do we have here? Okay, this is $5. Super cute, again, with the nautical colors, the cream, the gold, and the blue. This one is cute as well. The faux succulent for $5. And then we have more nautical pieces down below. Wish upon a starfish. Let the sea set you free. These are mini easels. They're calling them mini easels. We have the boats for $4. Happiness is homemade and all you need is love. We have some rugs. Home is our happy place, $8. We have another one that says, hello. Hello. I'm gonna just push this to the side for a moment. Show you guys a couple other new items. We have the little letter boards with hooks. We have more little plaques that say gather. That's $4. We have love. Love with open arms and open hearts. These are $4. Bloom where you are planted. We also have you are my sunshine and my gift. We have the little date placky things. I kind of love the sound of that. How much are these? $4. Yes, $4. We also have it in this color palette. Today, anything is possible. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Always be humble and kind. Again, you guys, I'm kind of moving through this quickly. I definitely want to come back as we get even more items and go through even more of these items. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a preview of some things that we have. I know I could definitely film a whole other video taking my time and going through every single item. Happiness comes in waves. These are just $2, you guys. We have breathe, relax. We have calm. We just have so many cute things. I really love their decor here. Out of Five Below, Dollar General, and Family Dollar, I would have to say that the items that they carry here for the price, they are the cutest. Like, they have the most affordable prices and they have the cutest aesthetic. So for your value, for your money, you're gonna get the cutest items here. Items that would definitely cost you more everywhere else. So you guys, let me know what you wanna see next time I come into Dollar General. If this is a regular stop you guys would like me to film in, please let me know. In the past, you guys have said yes, please film there regularly, but then my views end up being really low. And so for me, if I have super low views, to me, that just means you guys aren't interested. So if you are interested and you say yes, please film in Dollar General, then definitely watch the video, give it a like, interact with it so that, you know, I will know that that's something that you guys want me to continue doing. But yeah, you guys, they have a lot of $1 items down multiple aisles. No $1.25 needed here, like at Dollar Tree. Just a lot of $1 items that you can no longer get at Dollar Tree. They're still here. I don't think the prices are going up. So definitely stop by Dollar General if you're looking for some $1 out the door prices. They have tons of $1 items throughout their store. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed coming along. Let me know what you want to see next. And please let me know if you want me to continue shopping here and filming here and sharing everything, because I love coming in here. Like, I love coming in here almost every week. Sometimes I go to a different city and I don't get the opportunity to come to this location, but I love this location and I would love to share more. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.